So what I got for you today is a number of survival products. Let's get into it. This first product I'm going to be reviewing is one of the two multi-tools that I brought with me today. It is not a regular multi-tool because it's actually a shovel rather than your typical knife. Here it is. All right, let's get into the good stuff. As you can see, it comes in multiple parts. So let's go ahead and put it together. And there you go. All right, so as you can see, it is a shovel and a hoe. And I'll be getting into those two later. But it also it maintains two other little tools, such as a knife with also a little serrated edge and kind of like a spear tip. Can you see that? All right, so you can put that on the tip like that, and it's got a nice little handle on it too, so you can poke, slice. In addition to having the knife, it also has flint, so you can put them together, and flint and steel. Pretty effective. Here's the last thing on it. It is a whistle. Yep. So this next product here is a pre-made survival kit. Let's take a look on what's inside. All right, so look what we got. A survival blanket, flashlight, compass, multi-tool for your wallet. I'll go over what that has inside. A knife, rope saw, I believe that's what it's called, tactical pen, and then this has, let me see, flashlight, and compass, another one, steel, or flint, for flint and steel. This thing contains a can opener, a knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, a 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction, and killery indication, 2-position wrench, and a lanyard hole. Right there. Look at that. Let's go see how this works. Ooh. It also comes with a smaller one, which doesn't work as well. But the main entree in this is the survival blanket. I will show it right now. I feel like an X-Men without any powers. This is like ideal for getting seen, especially if you're in a survival situation and you're lost in the wilderness and there's a little ray of sunshine coming right at you. You want to just, woo! Get it to where they can see you. What we have here is really cool. A tactical pen. Now you'll be wondering, what do I need a tactical pen for? Well, this right here is perfect for breaking glass and actually stabbing. But check this out. Look at that. Wow. Alright. And then also comes with an actual pen. And on the other side, bottle opener, little screwdriver, and a very tiny serrated edge, which kind of isn't really useful. But other than that, it's pretty cool. And then, get a look at that. It's pretty great for breaking glass. I don't really use this. Alright. It comes with an extra little pen, or I don't know what you call it. Actually, it's just like the pen base with all the ink inside. And then 2 small batteries for the flashlight. Can't really see it here because yeah, well, it has a flashlight. Alright, so let's put that back in its case. And I'm going to show you the very last thing. And this is one of the cooler multi-tools. So it, of course, has the knife and a locking mechanism, which is actually really cool because I got a scar on my middle finger from having a multi-tool that did not have a locking mechanism. So that's pretty cool. See that? That's neat. And then the other thing this has is other little tool bit, bottle opener. And then, let's get this out. Kind of the same thing. I don't know why it has 2. And then there's this, and you're thinking, what is that? It's for tools. Alright, this comes with like a bunch of them, which is pretty useful. Not really out here, but like if you're in the garage and you need a little, you know, a little something to get you by, that'll do. And then it also comes with Yakarta. Get splinters out, do a bunch of things. Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked anything that you saw, the links are in the description. Go ahead and buy from there. Have a good day.